हेलो एंड गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू, रादर गुड आफ्टरनून। अब माशाल्लाह से मेरी बेटी इतनी अब बड़ी हो रही है, अब स्कूल भी जाना शुरू हो गई है। प्री नर्सरी, व्हाट दे कॉल इट, प्री नर्सरी। तो अभी तकरीबन 5-6 दिन हो गए जा रही है। सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टुडे टू पिक हर अप। तो देखते हैं, पूछेंगे कि क्या करती हो, क्या है हिसाब किताब, क्या सीखना क्या है, और बाकी बस उछल कूदी करती है, कुछ ड्राइंग वगैरह। तो लेट्स गो। ये देखें जी, रोड वर्क्स हो रहे हैं। ये इनकी नेशनल हॉबी है। ये आपको अक्सर नज़र आते रहेंगे कि ये टुच टच पुक पक ये लगा ही रहता है। और ये आपको हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ रोड खोद के उसकी सेटिंग करते कराते नज़र आते रहते हैं। एनीवेज, आप ये नज़ारे लें। मौसम यहाँ पे चेंज हो रहा है और अब गर्मियाँ जाके अब सर्दियाँ आ रही हैं। बस थोड़ी सी गर्मियाँ नसीब होती हैं यूके वालों को। अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के लुंगी डांस। मैं ज़रा साइड पे रुका हुआ हूँ और दुआ की मामा उसको लेने गई है अंदर। सो देखते हैं क्या रिएक्शन उसका होता है। ये who came to pick you up today? Baba. Yeah, how was your day? In the school, you enjoyed today?
Yeah.
So, are you happy that Baba came to pick you up?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, give Baba a hug. Baba's little princess.
You want to do your ABC?
Come on. Be careful, be careful. Again. Yay, clapping! Come here, Baba. Give Baba a hug. Hey, Baba, look here. My baby is so intelligent, so smart. Mera putter, Mushoni baby. You're Baba's doll? Baba's princess? What did you do in the school today? You enjoyed?
Yes, I'm hurt my finger.
You hurt your finger? Oh my God. We will fix it. Okay? We will fix it. How you hurt your finger?
Hurt my finger.
But how?
My shoe.
Okay, I will fix it. Okay? What else did you do in the school today?
Play bicycles.
Play bicycles.
Balls.
Balls too.
Yes.
Or drawing. Did you do the drawing today? Did you make any friends? Oh, okay. Do you know their names? Oh, what's the name of your teacher? Auntie Helen. Okay. Okay, then should we go now then?
Yes.
Do you wanna go to watch the sheeps?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Give Baba kissy then. Thank you. Let's go then. She is going onto the steps. Come on, this way. Oh, follow the steps. These steps. ये देखो ये अपना ही किधर जा रही है. Okay, let's go. We're gonna go that way. Come here. Tell me, where are you going? You're going that way, but why? Don't you wanna go to home? Okay. Mom is waiting in the car. We will go in the car. We will go sit in the car. Then we will go there. Okay? What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay? Okay. Then come here. This way. Let's go in the car.
No.
Yeah. Peekaboo. I see you. No cows here today. Okay, we will try to find some cows. Okay. Let's go now. So you enjoyed your day? You enjoyed today in the school? Good.
Good.
Good. Good baby.
Good baby.
Good, beautiful little baby.
This for little baby.
Are you gonna say whatever I'm saying? Are you gonna repeat?
No.
Boom. We are ready to go. और जैसे आप दोस्तों को बताया है, यहाँ पे आप ऐसे नहीं कि बच्चों को ऐसी सीट पे बिठा दें. Proper seat. क्यों? म्याओ म्याओ. ऊपर बिठा. Are you a little cat?
Yes.
Cat? Are you hungry, cat?
Yes.
Did you eat something in the school?
Yes.
What?
I eat toast.
Toast.
I eat watermelon.
Look here, look here. What did you eat?
I eat fruit.
Fruit.
Yes.
Which fruit did you eat?
I eat toast.
Toast. ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ? ਅੱਛਾ. You eat toast. Wow, look at beautiful. No cows today. So, did you make any friends today?
Let's drink this together.
Let's go there together. Okay, we will go there together. Look here. Baba's asking. So, you tell me, did you make any friends in the school? Did you make any friends?
I don't think so.
I don't think so. You don't think so. So why you are not making friends? Can you see the traffic lights? What traffic light is there? Look in the camera. Look in the mobile. Is it red or is it green?
No.
So when it's a red light, you are supposed to do what? In a red light, when it's red light, do you stop or do you go? Red light means what?
Jump.
Stop. Okay. रोड वर्क हो रहा है तो देखें बड़ी तादाद में आगे गाड़ियां यहाँ पे रुकी हुई.
Where's the green light?
Green light is it's still red. Oh, it's amber. It's green now. Green now, and the cars have started moving, clapping. Green means what?
Go.
Go. And red means?
Stop.
And the yellow means?
Go.
Yellow means what? Yellow means be ready. To either to stop or to go. Okay?
Okay.
What is this?
It's a blue bus.
Blue bus is coming. Here. Yes, here's the blue bus. Round and round. Oh wow! Dua is wearing the Baba's glasses. Wow! You're looking so pretty. Wow! मैंने गलती ਨਾਲ ਲਾਈਟਾਂ ਵਿਖਾ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ ਨੇ. ਇਹ ਤੇ ਇਥੋਂ ਹਿੱਲਣ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਡਈ. Should we go home now? Wow. Okay, stop here because the road's there.
It means go.
It means go. Yeah, it's green. It means go. It means go.
Oh, it means yeah.
Mom is calling. Food is ready.
No.
Food is ready.
Mine is green.
Is your tummy is not full? Let me have a look.
Tummy
It's empty. Tummy is empty. Yeah. So let's go eat something.
No.
Stay here. It means stop. I know. I got it. It means stop now. So I think you should stop now too, because what I believe, you are hungry now and you should go and eat something. Oh, what does that mean? Don't go. You are not allowed to go on the road. Just stay here, or else I'm going to take you inside. Again? No, you're not going there. The cars are coming. Here. Here on this cheek. Here on this one. You do it here. You do it to me. Your eyes are like Baba's eyes. Your nose is like Baba's nose. Your cheeks are like Baba's cheeks. You are just my copy. All of you. You are mini me.
I'm mommy mom.
You're Baba's copy.
Make fun face.
Let's make funny face. Can you make angry face?
Yeah.
A sad face? Can you make happy face? Can you make happy face? Can you make angry face? Can you make excited face? Exciting face? Yay! Oh wow, my baby, so intelligent. I will take you to the park today, okay?
Ribbit.
Ribbit,
Ribbit.
are you a little frog?
Ribbit.
Okay. Okay, little frog. Little frog, come here, little frog. Little frog, give Baba kiss. Baba's princess. Baba's princess.